Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Let me accept and continue. Now tap on the more icon, go to history, and then select clear browsing data. And now you will find basic and advanced functions. So under basic you will see browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. But under advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, out of print from data, and also site settings. So if you'd like to mark it all, just leave it this way. If you would like to leave something, just unmark it, but I would like to remove everything. And finally, pick the time range, just tap here and choose either last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And this is what I would like to do. And finally click on clear data. Confirm it by tapping on clear, and that would be all. As you can see, data has been cleared. Click on got it, and now you can create history and all the data connected with your browser from scratch. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.